Have you finally received your EVM's Enboom? Let's get you to pair it up. Pairing device. Turn the speaker on/off. The wireless device is ready to pair. Will beep. Blue flashing indicates pairing mode. Your wireless gadget should search for others. Select EVM Enboom from the list of discovered wireless devices. Please pair your device with the wireless speaker to stream music wirelessly. Once paired, play music. A successful pairing is indicated by the words "the wireless device is connected successfully" and a solid blue status LED. FM mode. In FM radio mode, plug in the charging cable to improve radio signals and listening. Charging the speaker. To charge the Enboom speaker, insert the micro USB end of the charging cable. Connect the other end to a computer or other USB chargeable device. The red LED light indicates charging. LED light turns off when the speaker is fully charged. Now your Enboom speaker is ready to use. For more update, please follow our YouTube channel.